Hello and welcome to my Christmassy assembly. Look at this, it is all cozy in here. I like my jumper on, got my background. It's good to see you, see me, see you. Anyway, it is the season of Christmas, isn't it? It's exciting. Technically what it's called is Advent, the season of Advent, preparation, getting ready for Christmas. Whether it's opening our Advent calendars, whether it's doing our shopping or buying or planning, we're preparing to celebrate something amazing. And as a kid, I love this time of the year. I'm looking through all the different catalogues, and I bet you don't even know what a catalogue is. It's kind of like a massive book, loads of pictures of toys, having a look, seeing what I would like, whether it was kind of getting stuff ready, plans, preparation, where we're going, who we're going to go, or on a Saturday morning, I used to love waking up, putting the TV on and looking at the advert. And I came across the advert for my favourite toy that I desperately wanted one year for Christmas. So why don't you have a look and check this out.
The coolest thing about Nerf Sneak Shot isn't that you can shoot over or around. It's that Sneak Shot makes you invisible, so you'll get away with it. Don't you get it? Nerf or nothing.
Man, that looks so old, right? That looks so dated. But as a kid watching that, I was super excited, right? I always wanted a Nerf gun for my Christmas, but they were just too expensive. When I saw this advert, I had a look through the catalogue, boom, yes, finally, this could be the year that I get my own Nerf gun. And this Nerf gun looked amazing. I had images of me sneaking around in the corner, shooting my little brother. Where did that come from? You know, on Christmas Day, kind of, my nan's falling asleep on the couch, kapeel, whoa! Obviously, I wouldn't have done that. But as a kid, right, I had all these images and I thought, yes, finally. So I wrote down my list, I was thinking, great, this could be it. And so I remember this one Christmas Eve going to bed so excited. Couldn't sleep. Finally got to sleep. And I remember waking up, it must have been about half five in the morning. And I could see this present on the end of the bed, right? And it was the right kind of rectangular shape. And I was just like, maybe this is it, it's good for you. And I remember kind of very quietly, because I didn't want to wake my brothers and sisters up. Didn't want to wake my mum and dad up, right? Because half five is too early, kids getting up in the morning. But I remember just sneaking, getting out my sleeping bag, just having a quick little rip. I remember ripping just the corner of it and having a little peek. And do you know what I saw? I got greeted with the yellowy gold Nerf writing. This was it. This was the Christmas. I finally got my Nerf gun and I couldn't wait. I was so excited. And when we finally got up, I ripped open that. And there in all its glory, was my Nerf Sneak Shot. I couldn't wait. Open the box, put it together, and all the rest of the people heard that Christmas was, Chris, pack it in. But Christmas is so exciting, and we prepare, we get ready for lots of different things, whether it's presents, whether it's family, whether it's food, whether it's time together, whether it's games, loads and loads of different things. But ultimately, are we preparing for something more? As a Christian, I would say yes. This time of the year, we're preparing to celebrate the birth of Jesus. The Messiah has been born. Now, the word Messiah means Saviour, anointed one, chosen one. Do you know, the special Messiah has been born. God is now with us, and He is going to change the world. He is going to rescue us. He is going to save us. And so when we celebrate Christmas, we are celebrating Jesus' birth. And actually what that does is it gives us hope. We need hope, don't we? Hope keeps us going. Hope kind of keeps us persevering, keeps us being resilient, keeps us doing all the different things I've talked about this year. Hope is a really important thing. And at Christmas, I have hope. I have hope that God came to rescue the world. God came to change the world. God came to love the world and to help us out. And that gives me hope. And Christmas is a real time of love and joy and happiness and all that stuff that we talk about. But it's also a time of hope because God came to earth. God is now with us. The Saviour has been born. The Messiah has been born. And actually that is something to celebrate about. That is amazing. And as a Christian, that is what I'm doing. So wherever it is that you're going, guys, however different Christmas may look this year, I want each and every one of you to know a little bit of hope. What we are celebrating today is that God got involved. So guys, God bless, take care of yourself, and have a very Merry Christmas.